What is going on, everyone? It's raining. It's autocross. Let me flip you guys around and you can see what I'm talking about. This is gonna be a miserable day today, but I think I'm sticking it out. This really sucks. So last week there was like 137 cars. This week there's like 37 cars. Cool. This course should be fun today though. Yeah, here we are, autocross. It's pouring. It's cold out. I thought I had a hoodie in my car. I don't, so I'm freezing. But we're gonna send it today in the GTI because I was not bringing the Miata out in this weather. So I just got done working, and it is freezing out right now. And there's like 40 reruns out of the 40 cars that ran, all because of the rain tripping the timer, and it was miserable and cold. And now we're gonna run my car, and it's probably not gonna be that fast. I should have stayed at home, but here we are. Oh, here we go. Run one. Car's not warm. This is a mess.
The line is Joe Hogg in the Fiat Spider. Interesting fact, we have 3 different Spiders here today. We have a Toyota, a Alfa, and a Fiat. I believe the fastest one today is going to be called the Itsy Bitsy from this day forward, but we'll see which one it'll be at the end. Bob Smith, you're clean with a 44.534. Bob Smith, 44.534. Good.
Disaster. I was not ready for that. Alright, so there was run number 1, and I went to go like stage, because you normally like wait in line for like a couple minutes, like behind all those cars. And I went to wait in line, and I was like number 1 up to start, and there was no one there, and my temp gauge was like at a quarter. I just started my car. I totally wasn't ready or in the zone, and I kind of just screwed that one up. I don't know. It was fast, but it was really sloppy, and I wasn't ready, and I don't know. I don't even know how many cones I hit. I feel like I hit a couple cones, but we'll see. All right, let's get ready for run number 2, I guess.
All right.
Run number 2. I'm a little more in the zone. Hopefully it goes a little better. Stay wide. Lost the gear, just went to neutral. Ooh, the car's not happy. It was going to neutral there. But I'm so pumped right now. 42.268. I beat you, buddy. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, so I just finished my second run. It was a lot better than my first run. And my girlfriend literally texted me and said, let me use my nose here real quick. Oh, and I got another message. Sorry, everyone. Yeah, so my girlfriend texted me. I got a 42.261. I think I'm first in class right now. I'm beyond excited. This is the first time I'm driving this car with the sway bar on the rear, and it is so much faster. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this car. I'm kind of all over the place because I haven't autocrossed this car I haven't autocrossed this car yet this year, and it's very different than the Miata. But I guess I'm fastest in my class right now. I'm beyond excited. Oh, I'm excited to get my last 2 runs in. But I gotta go stand in the rain now for like another hour. All right, let's get into the rain. All right, so Chris beat me. He's down to 41.7. I'm still at a 42.26. So I got 3 more runs. I'm gonna try to beat him. It looks like he's trying out, so I might be able to. Let's go ahead and get out there and we'll try it.
Alright, run number 3. Like 43.45 for your personal best. Hit some cones. Whoops. Matt Simmons, the airbender, coming around to the finish. That you up and cones. My car is all over the place. Last run. Here we go. Last run. Make or break. Lloyd Willis coming around in 4.3331. That was a little bit behind. Progressively worse as the day went on. I don't know how that happened.
There's my tires. I know they're shot, but like they really got chewed up. I don't know. They just kept getting greasier and greasier as the day was going. I know it's an excuse, but I swear that's why I was doing worse throughout the day, I think. So my last 3 runs were kind of garbage. I don't know. Every run, my tires kept getting greasier. Like it felt like I had less traction every run. So I don't know. My second set was kind of garbage. My last 3 runs, throwaways, but you know, it is what it is.